Okay, this is help for pages 211 through 214. Okay, which is correct? 4 to the third power equals 12, or 4 to the third power equals 64? What is it, Jake?
All right. 2 to the third.
We're doing this one, 4 to the third power.
4 to the third power.
Is what?
4 times 3 equals times 12 equals
4
12.
times 3 equals 12, so we know that's not right.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's it supposed to be?
It should be 12 times 4.
How many times do you multiply 4 times itself? It tells you what to do right there. How many times do you multiply 4 times itself? It's right here. I'm pointing right at this tiny little number.
3.
4 times 4 is?
8? No, 16. I mean,
And 16 times 4 is 64. Okay, so the answer is 64 for that one. These are just as easy. You put 2 to the third power just like you did here, right?
Yep.
Okay, so that's 2 times 2 times 2, it's 8. That's good. Okay. How do we know this? Oh, it's 6 to the fourth power because we know there's 6 4s or 4 6s here. 6 to the fourth. Okay, let's get the calculator because I know 6 times 6 is 36.
Yeah, that's right.
6 times 6. We start over again and use 2 hands. 6 clear. 6 times 6
equals 36.
Okay, that's 6 to the second power. Do 6 times 6 again. That's 6 to the third power times 6 again. 6 to the fourth power. It's 1,296. Easy. Now this one is 9 to the second power. 9 squared, which looks like a 7 the way you have it. So 9 times 9 is 81. This is pretty good. We can skip this bottom part. Let's go on to page 212. 5 to the second power is definitely not 10. It's 5 times 5, right? And here, oh, you're right. You found the mistake. 5 times, that should say 5 times 5. This one was right, okay? Okay. Now let's go on. This one, 6 to the third power is 3, you got 6 threes. It should be 6 times 6 times 6, right? 6 times 6 times 6 should be the correct solution. Okay. That was easy. Now for one, these, right, standard notation. On these, they want you to do 7 times 7 times 7 times 7.
30.
So do use your calculator, do 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. $2,401. I don't think that's right. Because if you did 7 times 7 times
49.
7, it should be ending in a 9, shouldn't it?
Yes, it is.
7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Nope, 2,401. I'm going to check some. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7.
You did 77 the first time.
Oh. Yep, it says 2,041. Okay, so on all these, you just do 6 times 6 times 6, and you do that 9 times. Now, these would be a little confusing because 10 to the second power is just 100. But 2 to the 10th power, that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times... That's going to be bigger. You can just tell. Okay. 3 to the fourth power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That's 927 plus that, isn't it 81?
Yeah.
So this one's 81. And 9, oh, these are equal. So that's how you do that. Oh, going over here. 9 tenths minus 1/5.
Math is over. Can I go?
Yes, 2 tenths. You have to multiply these times 2.
Naturally, I think it could have been 9.
Okay, so you have to find the common denominator for these. Now, for the common denominator for 9 and 5, it's a little hard, but it's going to be 45. So we'll do 5/9. minus 2/5. I'm going to change this to be 45. So 25 minus 18 is 7. Easy. Okay, so these are kind of hard to find, the common denominators. The common denominator for this one's going to be 30. The common denominator for this will be 56. Common denominator for this will be 18. Okay, let's do one of these hard ones. Regina is baking 2 different kinds of chocolate chip cookies. One recipe calls for 1/4 a cup of chocolate chips. The other one is 3/4 a cup of chocolate chips. How many cups of chocolate chips does she need to know? What's 3/4 plus 1/4, Luke?
3/5.
3/4 plus 1/4,
4/4.
which is the same as a whole. Okay, that was pretty easy. It's too easy. Now this one has to do, I can already tell, we got different denominators. Roger found a long piece of heavy rope that was 24 3/4 feet long. It was a perfect rope for jumping ropes. If each rope is 8 1/4 feet long, how many can he make? Oh, okay, so we just have to divide these. Oh, let's just...
Calculate.
8 no. You can make 3 of them.
And alright.
Oh, let's do a quick skim of that. Okay, now somebody has help with their homework tonight. Thank you, Luke and Jay.